Hi everybody, this is Brian from Jeffrey Allen's and Prairie Gardens again. Now I know you're all finished doing your trees and you're relaxed and you have nothing to do. One question we get a lot here is, I don't have a place for a tree. What can I do? Well, use a garland. So I'm going to give you some garland ideas as tree alternatives. So you can see where I've started. I used the same things we used in our tree from last week, so it'll match your other room. And what I've done, like before, where we made our little clusters of the ornaments, I'm going to just tie them in. And what's neat, you know, if you have an apartment or if you don't have a tree yet, you're not ready, this is one good way of starting your Christmas collections. And think about it, not just like on a mantle, but like on top of a cabinet or a bar or a serving piece in your dining room. You can do the same thing. And like before, just add our little loops of ribbon that we did before. It's not a big fancy bow, easy to do. Let me get it on here. See, and I pulled these out of our trees, so if you remember, we used the different color chenilles. I was able to find them without a lot of work. So now I'm just gonna add some ornaments just like you would a regular tree. And I'm using, these are just like the branches that are on your tree, so you can just hang from there. Get it in there. You know, look at that, kind of shoving them in. Oh, let me find one more. We'll go with our snowflakes. And what's nice, if you look, it's a garland. It's just not straight across with two skinny candlesticks at the end. I kind of snaked and moved the garland around. And one end is longer than the other. It doesn't have to be the same length. Sometimes I'll do the longer side opposite a doorway, so it kind of pulls you into the room a little bit more. So here, look, I'm just going to stick even a little ornament up here. Oh, look at that, Mr. Snowman. He wants that ornament. Well, he's not going to get it. There you go. And now, what I've done at each end, not the two skinny candlesticks like we said. I'm going to walk in front of you here. Trying to get different heights on your mantle or your serving piece. I'm just going to take a pot and turn it upside down and work it into there. And look what I did with this tree. This is just a napkin wrapped around the burlap base trees, you know, so you can match what you're serving on your table. And I'm just raising that up there. So look at, we've already created one side of our mantle, and then just a basic candlestick on the other side. Again, you see I used some of our little ball ornaments like we used on our tree, the clusters, our little globs of ribbon, and of course the new candles with the moving flames. They are so realistic. Ow, ow, ow. No, you're fine. And they all come on timers, remote control. Everything now is remote control or timered, because if you look, abracadabra, let's see if I can do it. Come on. Voila, these are the little battery operated mini lights. So if you don't have a plug-in close, and these are the LEDs, they're gonna last forever. And they do 8 different things. We won't get into that. But so you see at the other end, I have almost balanced out, but it's not the same height. Real simple, just some basic candlesticks from throughout the house. And I'm just going to offset that same feel down at the base of the fireplace. Of course, this isn't going to be there in everybody's home. But if you don't use your fireplace, this is to line up all bunch of sorts of sizes of the candles. And like I say, they're all on timers. So at 5 o'clock they come on, they go off at 10 o'clock. You can go to bed and you're not going to burn the house down. Oh, other sketch. Really, that's really about it. What other things you can do I can show you is if you're not using your fireplace, you can take it over and you can actually hang further down. I'm showing it just along the sides. Or take some ribbon and hang it for a piece of ribbon up into the garland. So that's, again, simple, pretty easy. I know you can do it. So go have fun. We'll try this again later on. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.